Audi revealed the new RS3. After its product upgrade, the Audi RS3 has a significantly sportier appearance. It is powered by the legendary 2.5-liter TFSI engine from Audi Sport with 400 PS and maximum torque of 500 Nm. This means the car accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 290 km per hour. The basis for the impressively high driving dynamics is the interaction of the torque splitter with its fully variable torque distribution between the rear wheels, electronic stability control, wheel selective torque control, brake torque vectoring, and the adaptive dampers for the RS Sport suspension. The new RS3 Sportback and sedan models manufactured at the Audi plant in Ingolstadt will be at dealers from October and available to order from the end of August. Prices for the RS3 Sportback start at 66,000 euros in Germany. Tell me in the comments how do you like it.